Welcome to the video series about the integration of SINAMICS G220 converter into the SIMATIC Process Device Manager. My name is Simona, and in this part we are going to have a look at one of the interesting features of the SINAMICS G220 FDI Device Package Basic System submenu. In this submenu, which is located under the device menu, you can get access to the device overview. Here, you can see the detailed information about the SINAMICS G220 drive and the connected motor, as well as the IP address of the PLC master. Another option in the System submenu, about FDI device package, displays the information about the FDI device package version and the compatible SINAMICS G220 firmware version together with supported communication. The last option, Device User Rights UMAC, provides the information about the assigned user rights for anonymous user access, the one that is used by this FDI device package basic. If you require to change the user rights for anonymous user, refer to SINAMICS Industrial Cybersecurity Configuration Manual. Well, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye.